In this video, I'm going to show you how to import XML in Lucidchart step by step, and I'll cover two different ways to do it so you can choose the method that fits your workflow best. Whether you're bringing in a brand new diagram from an XML file or adding one into an existing document, this guide will make the process simple and fast. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's look at the easiest option, which is importing from the Lucidchart homepage dashboard. This is the best method if you want to create a brand new document from your XML file. Start by logging into your Lucidchart account and landing on your main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner and click the plus new button. A menu will open, and from that menu, hover over Lucidchart. Then choose Import. After that, select draw.draw.io because this is the format that supports .xml files. Now Lucidchart will open an upload window. At this point, you can either drag and drop your XML file into the area on the screen, or you can click the browse option to locate the file on your computer. Once you find the file, select it and click open. Lucidchart will then upload the XML and process it into a usable diagram. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few seconds. When the import is complete, you'll usually see a confirmation screen. From here, click done or choose view document if you want to open the converted file right away in a new tab. That's it for the first method, and it's a great way to quickly turn an XML file into a Lucidchart diagram without starting from scratch. Now let's go over the second option, which is importing XML into an open document. Use this if you're already working in Lucidchart and want to add the XML diagram directly into your current workspace. First, open the existing document you want to work in. In the top left corner of the canvas, click the More menu, which is the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Once the menu opens, hover over Import and then click Import Documents. Just like before, an upload window will appear. Now drag and drop your XML file into the box, or click to browse your device and select the file manually. After choosing the file, click Open to begin the upload. Lucidchart will import the XML into your document, and once the process finishes, click Done to close the import window. A couple of quick tips can help make this go smoothly. First, make sure your XML file is actually a draw.io compatible file because that's what Lucidchart uses for this import path. Second, if the file does not upload correctly, double check that the file extension is .xml and that the file isn't corrupted. Third, if you want a brand new diagram, use the dashboard method. If you want to work inside an existing file, use the open document method. And if you're following along, don't forget to like this video if it's helping you out, and subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials, productivity tips, and software walkthroughs. I try to make these guides quick, clear, and beginner friendly so you can save time and get back to your work faster. So, to recap, go to the Lucidchart dashboard and use New, Lucidchart, Import, and Draw.io for a fresh import, or open in an existing file and use More Import and Import Documents to bring XML into your current workspace. In just a few clicks, your XML diagram is ready to use inside Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.